Hi, everybody. It's the dental assistant tutor here. And I got an email that was good news with my Weebly website. And I will put the link to the how to make a Weebly website to make extra money with like a hobby. Like I like art and everything. So I have an art page. I have chickens. So I have stuff about my chickens. And you just put the Google AdSense that I told you about. And I'll put that link to that video, how to start out with Google AdSense. But I just want to update in case anybody did take my advice to make extra money in creating a website. They now have good news. Things are changing. Auto ads now work through any ad code, so it makes it easier to use. You can exclude certain pages if you don't want ads to show up. Ads overview shows you a summary of your auto ads setting for each of your sites. Ads settings preview shows you how auto ads will look on your site before they go live. So before you approve it, it's going to show you how it's going to look. So you have your information that you've written up. Say, you're talking about art like I do and how you created a piece. Well, then it's going to put an ad up underneath there and you can approve it or not. Ad formats. Um, Helps you to specify the types of ads that auto ads places on your site. So if you're talking about art or you're talking about cooking, because I have a cooking channel as well, Mrs. B's Simple Cooking, if I go to that site, well then I want stuff about cooking on that site, where I don't want my art stuff on this site. So you want to connect matched content, allows content recommendations from your site combined with ads to be shown to your users. Auto ads dramatically adjust the number of ads proportion to the length of each page. Ad loads helps you control the number of ads you would like to show on your pages. So you can do 1 to 5. So I just go ahead and move it up to 5. Why not? That's why you're making these websites, besides trying to share your skill or your hobby. We're updating reporting so that you can see auto ads and manual ad unit performance side by side for each of your sites. So you got easy reporting to check out. Here's an example of the ad, and it has auto ads, and you just click on it to make it blue. Ad low. This person has it to where it's set for only so many. If you bring it all the way over to max, it'll be 5 ads per page. Remember, you get paid for clicks to your website for people just viewing these ads. But if they purchase off these ads, then you make a bigger commission. Please note that you have the see how auto ads can boost your revenue lab enabled in your account. This lab now will be generated and will apply to the appropriate settings for your auto ads for your traffic. I mean, that is just amazing. And you can visit your auto ads. And I have mine all on. And you just click it and edit it to turn it on. AMP is on. I also like to show you, because this is just starting to produce, because you have to have your website for a while. So if you want to make extra income, you need to go ahead and get started on it now so you can build content, good information that people truly can use, and that's going to make you a great website. If any dentists are watching this, or office managers or assistants, step up and suggest it in a staff meeting at your website, that whoever creates it for you, they can add Google AdSense to any website. And your doctor could be making extra income, or you could be making extra income for doing it for them. Whatever the case, whatever's going to help the office or help the assistant, the hygienist. You might have a hobby with nails. You can not only just sell stuff that you personally make on these websites. If you created a book like I've shown, that's making money on its own. And I'm going to do a video with that separate. But don't forget, you can go to your sites. You can go to blocking controls. You want to go to blocking controls, and I'll show you why. soon as it gets done loading. Okay, if you get onto blocking controls under your Google AdSense, it's going to show ads. These are people who want you to show their ads on your channel, your website. So they say you pretty much, unless it doesn't conflict, if I'm selling artwork, I'm not going to advertise someone else's artwork unless I'm being kind. That ad's not that important to me. But generally, rule of thumb is it's just better to mark all as review, and then I'm going to get more. And I'm approving all these as I'm doing mark as review. And I have all kinds of dentists on here because my Dental Geek Weebly site, because I do advertise dentists on my website for patients to find that are traveling. If you're interested in advertising on the Dental Geek, it's very cheap. Check it out. I'll leave the link below. I'm just trying to help people get a better practice, because if the practice is doing well, then guess what? So are my fellow assistants out there. I'm just marking them all as review. Now, I already knew to block certain content. Like, I'm not going to show anything really sexy up on my, websites. I'm not going to promote anything that is not of my websites, basically. And if you get a lot, that means your website's doing pretty well. Now, I'm going to go to my home, and it shows you what you're starting to make. On each website, it's different amounts. And it goes from today, yesterday, last 7 days, this month, you know. And like I said, mine's just starting, but it's there. So, guys, you need to check it out. It's a good way to make money. And don't forget, to go on our account to set your payments, your reports. You can check out, you can make any report that you want to make, and it will bring up your reports. Okay. When you're looking on the reports, it shows you what you're making each day. If you didn't really do any blogging, you're not going to get too much views unless you're advertising it. And don't forget, you can advertise it on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter. I mean, get your practice out there. Get your product, get your hobby. If you just want a site that people can view, I mean, let's see here. It shows you page views, it shows you impressions, it shows you clicks, it shows you how much they're making, 790, and then the impressions 429. Active view viewable is this is 43.94%. I'm still editing that part. I have a robot that is attached to my website that I need to get rid of, so more pages are found. And then once I learn that, I will share it with you guys. Make sure you do a 404 page. I need to make a video for you guys for that as well. It's just a little trick I've learned along the way. And then you're estimating earnings on each site, and it just keeps going. So check it out, guys. This is a dental assistant tutor, just trying to help others make extra income. You have to start off small. You have to start off somewhere, but you'll get there. And it wouldn't be nice to have extra income while you're going to your day job. I mean, there's days I just click on here and realize I made money, and I wasn't even at work. I was working in my garden. I was feeding my chickens, writing another book. And get on about writing the book. Everybody has a story to tell. Everybody has a talent. Everybody has a gift. So, guys, I hope this is encouraging you to do this. Instead of playing video games or griping at the spouse, just get on here and vent. Have a woman's thing where you can just talk about being a wife or whatever you need to do. It will make you money, because chances are there's somebody else out there like you and many more who want to read what you're writing about. Okay, guys, this is Dental Assistant Tutor. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. I'll be back soon.